Education is the biggest problem we face because it's so bad it prevents us from solving anything else. We have to attack the root cause of our suffering. Our education system is severely lacking in creativity, critical thinking, problem-solving skills, real-world relevance and connections, and just suffers from a crippling absence of a passion for learning. Sadly, there's just no time to give these crucial elements anything more than lip service when we obsessively focus on test-taking and hold test scores as the ultimate measure. As these dubiously educated students go out into the world, well, it's not good for any of us. Chances are you're already very aware of these flaws in education. But what can you do about it? Many of you have probably spoken out against test-based education, most likely with limited success. Here's a little secret. It's easy for the educational establishment to ignore you and brush off your criticism because you don't have a viable answer to the question, well, if not tests, then what? And that's where Critical comes in. Critical will be a social platform built specifically for sharing original content with other students, educators, creatives, and professionals. Whether for school or work, the content you create and receive feedback on will help to challenge yourself and others to solve real-world issues and problems while participating in thoughtful discussion alongside leaders and peers. You'll be able to use the platform's analytic functions in order to track feedback and show how well your problem-solving, critical thinking, and presentation skills are developing or progressing. Insights like this will allow schools and companies to cater to individual growth and move away from a one-size-fits-all method of teaching or developing minds. Critical will help to make your creative experiences more captivating, productive, and allow you to fully leverage your talents and passions while growing relationships in your field of interest or study. Our team has an idea of the look and feel of Critical and will function to benefit communities of students, educators, and professionals of a variety of levels and fields. The biggest challenge we currently face is building the platform from our initial mock-ups. Your contributions will primarily fund product software development and distribution, allowing us to get Critical into your hands so together we can explore its potential. In order to make this a reality, we need your contributions. Money, obviously, but perhaps even more importantly, your feedback, your voice. Each of you are critical, and that's why we're crowdfunding this project on Indiegogo. The incentives are structured so that contributors are recognized as founding members. You'll be granted early access to the software, have a chance to offer feedback, and become an influencer to spread the word to your friends, colleagues, and followers. Now, more than ever, we need a rich culture of problem-solving, rational thinking, and creativity. Critical can change the foundation for how we educate our population and how we view education, and be a first step to building a more positive future for our society. Together, we can build a cultural landmark that leaves a lasting impact on the world and elevates human potential. I do hope you'll join us. Thanks, and stay critical.